Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I am so glad you're here for day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So a couple housekeeping items first. I just want to first say I am not associated with Missouri Star Quilt Company. I think a year or two ago I was an affiliate with them. They've stopped that program. I'm no longer an affiliate, but I paid for this myself. I haven't worked with them in at least a year, so just putting that out there. Any of the other years I wasn't working with them either. During this time period, I've always bought this box myself. I want to put that out there because there's been a little bit of confusion on some of the comments, and I wanted to mention that. The other thing is, the other day I misspoke, and I had said that there was a Chuck the Duck on the on the pattern, and it actually is on the adhesive. He's right there. So I apologize for that. I just misspoke with that. What else? Oh, another quick item is I do record these a day or two ahead of time. I don't always see some comments, but I try to always address them when I can. I do try to take Sundays off, so I'll record a couple days when it's coming up to the weekend. Just so you know, I do need time to edit and all that wonderful stuff. Lastly, and I swear this is it, I do have about 50 emails to respond to. I apologize. I'm getting to them slowly. I'm getting to them. I am, I promise, and I will get back to you. So if you did email me, that is why. All right, let's get to today's item, day 9. I'm so excited because I don't know what it is. Hi, just interrupting for a minute. I did lose audio in the next clip of me opening this, so I apologize. I have no idea what I was saying, but here it is. This is me opening it and pulling off the sticker and all that stuff. So, sorry. All right, let's see. What is this? Oh, this is cool. This is a bias tool, tape tool kit. All right, you can see it here. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Very nice. So we have 4 different sizes. Let's pull one out. So this is, I think, a 2.5. All right, if you've never used these before, these are great. Bias binding is awesome. I wonder, let's look at the instructions. All right, it has everything you need here. Size chart. Oh, and it does have instructions on making bias binding. Bias is on the diagonal grain. So you have straight grain, cross grain, and diagonal. It's the stretchiest. And bias binding is wonderful on quilts. It wears really well, and it is so easy to put on, especially if you have curves. It's awesome. Oh, this item is really nice. Now I have a bunch of these that I've inherited over the years or picked up. Probably some I've even bought. But I've never had like a set like this in a case. So this is really nice having them all together. I mine in a bin. Oh, anyway, that is a wonderful item. Very practical and good. I love it. So let's move on to the value of the gift wrap. And again, this might not be everybody's cup of tea coming up with the value, but it helps me sleep at night knowing that what I paid is worth what I paid. Even though there may be some things I don't like. That happens, right? Now the gift wrap is available online. I believe it's like reselling. People bought it and resold it. Maybe not, but it is out there, so you can find it, and it's selling for about $20. There's some places that have it more and some places that have it less. That brings our total to $147.50, and we have $52.45 to go. Doing really well. Again, sleeping well at night, knowing that what we got has value, even though I knew that from previous years, but still. Anyway, it just makes me feel better. Okay, so our Chuck the Duck account stayed the same. And I appreciate everybody pointing them out to me. If I haven't counted them, I'll go back and look. But I think I got everyone. Maybe not. It is just a fun thing. It's nothing serious. We're just having some fun here. We're going to guess for day 10. So this is your warning, warning, warning. I'm going to be picking it up. Okay, it is a box. I am so curious about this. It's a little squishy. I think maybe a plate, or one year we got a clock. It's definitely something hard. I don't want to bend it because I'm afraid of breaking it and I don't want to drop it. Oh, something just slid. I wonder what it is. it's moving. Oh, and there's a Chuck the Duck look skiing along with the QR code. Oh, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.